When opening an online store, the homepage is arguably one of the most important pages, and that stays true for phone case businesses. Most of the time, it's the first part of the store that you will see. And we all know that first impression matters. It can help you win over customers or lose them in a split second. That's why in this video, we will together take the first step in building a phone case business and talk about all the tips and tricks to help you build a high-converting homepage for your phone case store.
PageFly.
Welcome back to Ecom Learning with PageFly. My name is Phoebe, your host today. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated with all e-commerce knowledge and actionable insights into building your online store. Now let's get started. To start a phone case business, you will first need to conduct market research to decide your target market, understand your competitors, and therefore create an effective business plan. Make sure to check all the legal aspects that affect your business too, so you can avoid as many complications as possible. After that, you can start working on the designs for your products and defining the brand identity. When you have all of them laid out and ready, comes the fun part, taking your store online. You can create an online phone case store with minimum setup costs by starting with a well-known and easy-to-use e-commerce solution like Shopify and make use of the page builder tool such as the PageFly app. Because you are just starting out online and you might want to put an initial investment on it, PageFly should be your ultimate solution because it's totally free and requires no coding knowledge. If you face any difficulties, the 24/7 support team is waiting for you. Later in this video, I will have an example of how PageFly can create a high-converting phone case store homepage for you. Now, let's find out the tips and tricks to optimize your homepage. First, you need to create action-inspiring content above the fold. This part is where the visitors can see before scrolling down through the page. This is very important as it creates first impressions, so it's best to focus on the action you want the visitors to take when they first land on your site. Provide the information they would need and how you can help facilitate their decisions. For phone case stores, consider saying something like, "No more scratches," or "Land your phone on a gorgeous pillow every time you drop it," to signify that you are offering a solution to their issues, which is to not only protect their phone, but protect it in a fashionable case. Second, you can have a clear navigation throughout the page. Having a simple and clear navigation system will help people move quickly from page to page on the internet. The more convenient it is for visitors to understand and glide through the pages, the more they are likely to convert. Too many navigation options can feel cluttered and overwhelming, causing visitors to go to the wrong page than what they intentionally want. Therefore, try to have a simple, straightforward navigation and prioritize the paths and pages that visitors go to the most, and if necessary, have sub-navigation. For a phone case store, you may consider categorizing your products into new collection, promotion, or even shockproof or waterproof categories so that people can look for products more easily based on their features and purposes. Third, you can create a compelling call to action. CTAs or calls to action are at the heart of influential web page design. They tell readers where to go and what to expect when they get there. Phone case businesses are rather particular because there are not that many different types of products. However, the product variants are limitless. There would be a higher chance that people see what they like, and the only action that we would need to call is shop now. So, it is given that we need to invest in that CTA button and make it as compelling as possible, right? Fourth, you need to include eye-catching imagery. Having high-quality images is a must for all types of online stores, and even more important for phone case businesses. In a physical store, cases are usually hung on racks or put in their boxes, and that doesn't really look pleasing. For online stores, businesses can show real-life images of how cases would look on different phone model, how it would look with different clothing style, and that would be so much more attractive and lively, which helps encourage site visitors to make the purchase. So, make sure you pay attention to and invest in the product images. Another option will be a slideshow with each slide dedicated to a specific product or group of products. You can use a slideshow to showcase a wide selection of products across different categories. Put the slides in priority orders with the most prioritized one showing first, and then try to have 3 slides max, because visitors won't be staying on top of the page for half an hour looking through hundreds of slides. Fifth, make shopping cart easy to access. Shopping cart is an essential part of the homepage for most e-commerce stores. Making it easy to spot and go to also helps with the page navigation system. A sticky shopping cart or slide-out cart, however you want to call it, is a cart that's visible at all times, no matter where visitors are on the page. And it would be a great bonus for your homepage if you can also display the number of items currently in the cart, which signifies that the purchase is still in progress and encourages them to finish the purchase. This one is a pretty obvious and common practice that you will see for most online stores, which put their shopping cart icons in the upper right corner of the page. Now, let's take a look at some of the most outstanding homepages for online phone case store that we can learn from. First one is Casetify. The brand's homepage has a young, energetic, and a rather fast-paced vibe that's very attractive to customers. There are some aspects that they really did a good job in order to capture the attention of the viewers and eventually convert them into buyers. The first thing you will see is a slideshow of products, including both images and videos showing different cases and how to style them with your daily fashion styles. They also show a clear and concise value proposition and call to action. The navigation is clear and the shopping cart is easy to navigate. Next one is Casemate. Casemate is another example that we can learn from. They also have a slideshow on top of their page to attract customers' attention and show off the features of their products, such as scratch protection or wireless charging support. The navigation bar and shopping cart is clear and visible at all times. The tips and tricks above are just some of the ways to help you build a successful homepage for your phone case store. If you have other tricks up your sleeve, which are not mentioned here, that you want to share with everyone else, please comment down below so we can all learn something new. We have all been there, fresh and new, and we have been collecting all this knowledge and tips along the way. It would be awesome if we can share them and help people who are in the position that we've been into grow. I hope this video has been helpful for you, whether you are considering opening a phone case store or already have one but are struggling with it. If you want to learn more about e-commerce, as well as how to design different pages for your online store, subscribe and stick around, because we sure want to deliver the best knowledge and experience that we have been collecting along the way and help you improve. Also, don't forget that we have a full playlist on growing different business niches online for store owners. The link is in the description, and we will come back in another video next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.